Want to take a look at the U.S. stock custom session. Go under here in Format Symbol and click here on these three red dots under the Properties tab. There's four different tabs up here. Click on this where it says Session, and we're going to go down to U.S. stock session. That is from 8:30 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, this is I have this set up for the Central Standard Time Zone. You have to set up these custom sessions for the time zone of the exchange. And since we're looking at the stock index futures, we want to go from 8:30 to 3:15 Central Standard Time, even though New York is 9:30 to 4 o'clock is when the stock market is open, because we're looking at the stock index futures on the CME, and we're also using this custom session on the euro currency and bonds, which are also on Central Standard Time. So the reason we create this session is if we want to analyze bonds or euro currency during the U.S. stock market time period. So we're going to delete this and recreate it so you'll know how to do it. And we want to create U.S. stock. Type it in here. You click Add, U.S. stock again, and then go Monday at 8:30 a.m. to Monday at 3:15. These are the futures times. Basically looking at the stock index futures and bonds in euro. So you take a look at this and you click OK, and then you click Add Monday through Friday, and you've created the U.S. stock custom session. And you can click OK again, and you will see this change. We're looking at the euro currency right now. You're going to get a chart of the euro currency that's during the stock market time period. So you can see the first bar is 9:45. The reason this is because this computer is on Eastern Standard Time, and if you're on Eastern Standard Time, the time is 9:30 to 4:15 or 16:15, since it uses military settings, I guess. As far as the plot, so you can see 16:15 here in Tradestation. So you get 9:45. It's the time of the end of the first bar. So if it starts at 9:30 Eastern Time, 8:30 Central Time, your first bar is going to be 8:30. If you're in Central Time, it's going to be 8:45, since it's 15-minute bars, or 9:45 if you're in Eastern Standard Time, or 7:45 Mountain, 6:45 Pacific Time. And this is a setup for 15-minute bars. If you were to change this to 5-minute bars, this would be 9:35. If you were to change it to 1-minute bars, it would be 9:31, and that's based on Eastern Standard Time. And the last bar on this is 16:15. Again, if you're in Central Time, this would be 15:15. Any other time zone, the difference would be the difference between your current time zone and Eastern Standard Time. So that is the setup for the U.S. stock and how you set it up. And you can test this on any market. You can use this on any market in the Central Standard Time Zone, where the exchange is on the CME or the CBOT time zone, if you want to compare it to when the stock index futures are in their day session.